Abraham's Executive Search is a boutique executive search company where our main goal is to recruit critical leadership for companies coming into Brazil, that we can help them, advise them the best way to operate and to implement their leadership skills for a new company or startup, whatever. Okay, our main values are based on a tripod called convergence of values, which is transparency, honesty, ethics, coupled with trust, which is the belief in our partnership in one's character. And third, deliver what you promise, walk the talk. I think we know the Brazilian market, and we are a boutique company where you have personalized services offered by our partners. We are specialized in 3 or 4 segments. Our number one segment today is agribusiness. I would call it the commodity agribusiness market for agroindustrial, from the start to the export. We also know well the financial markets in Brazil, private equities, commercial banks, or companies that are working in the agribusiness that need financing and funding. Thirdly, we are strong in the media and entertainment market. We have been in this market for over 15 years. And also the chemical industrial markets, we operate very well.
For more videos, please visit www.voicesofbrazil.com.